Ready? Start. That selfless teacher who equips young children and shapes their destinies is a nation builder. Those countless women who take care of families with so many other responsibilities at home and work and raise children to become ideal citizens are nation builders. People elect their representatives from the Gram Panchayat to Parliament. They waste their will and hopes in these representatives. In turn, the pupils' representatives devote their lives to the service of nation. But our endeavors are not for ourselves alone. Down the ages, India has believed in the philosophy of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The world is my family. It is appropriate that the land of Lord Buddha should lead the world in its search for peace, tranquility, and ecological balance. India's boys counts the today's world. The entire planet is drawn to Indian culture and soft power. The global community looks to us for solutions to international problems, whether terrorism, money laundering, or climate change. In a globalized world, our responsibilities are also global. This links us to our global family, our friends and partners abroad, and our diaspora that contributes in so many ways across the world. It brings us to the support of other nations, whether by extending the umbrella of the International Solar Alliance or being first responders following natural disasters. We have achieved a lot as a nation, but the effort to do more, to do better, and to do faster should be relentless. This is especially as so we approach the 75th year of our independence in 2022. What must also bother us is our ability to enhance access and opportunity for the last person and the last girl child from an underprivileged family, if I may put it so, in the last house, in the last village. This must include a quick and affordable justice delivery system in all judicial forums. The citizens of this country are the real source of strength to me. I am confident that they will continue to give me the energy to serve the nation. We need to sculpt a robust, high growth economy, an educated, ethical, and shared community, and an egalitarian society as envisioned by Mahatma Gandhi and Deen Dayal Upadhyay ji. These are integral to our sense of humanism. This is the India of our dreams, an India that will provide equality of opportunities. This will be the India of the 21st century stop.